She's got a system they call apartheid. It keeps a brother in a subjection. But maybe pressure will make Joanna see how everybody could live as one. Oh, give me hope, Joanna. Hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, for the morning come. And give me hope, Joanna. Hope, Joanna, hope before the morning come. I hear she makes all the golden honey to buy new weapons in the shape of guns. While every mother in a black Soweto fears the killing of another son, sneaking across all the neighbors' borders, now and again having little fun. She doesn't care if the fun and game she play is dangerous to everyone. Oh!